Hello children, today we will learn the poem My Shadow from class 5th CBSE NCERT. Children, do you know whenever there is light someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who is it? Let's find out. Before that, we'll see the new words of the poem. India rubber ball, a ball that can bounce very high. Buttercup, a yellow flower. Errant, bad. Sleepyhead, a person who sleeps more. Wondered, shocked. Let us see the explanation of the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Here I means the speaker of the poem, the poet. The poet is telling us that he has a little reflection of him, which is the shadow, and that follows him wherever he goes. Poet is not able to understand the use of shadow, except that shadow follows him everywhere. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So in this stanza, he means it is for shadow. That shadow is like the poet. The poet is saying that reflection is totally like him from head to toe, and whenever he goes to sleep, his reflection, his shadow, jumps or hops into the bed before him. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The poet finds it very funny or strange. The way shadow increases in size, the shadow grows immediately, whereas children take time to grow up. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. The poet is comparing the shadow with Indian rubber ball, because the rubber ball bounces up and down. Similarly, shadow grows big and small, and on sometimes the shadow becomes so tiny or small that seems like nothing is there. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. One morning, the poet woke up before everyone, even before the sun. And what he saw drops of water on flowers. Children, you must have also seen drops of water on flowers early in the morning. If not, you just try, wake up early in the morning, go out and see some dews on the flowers, on the grass, or you can see even on the leaves of tree. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. In this last stanza of the poem, the poet is saying that in the morning his shadow becomes lazy and bad one. Here, errant means bad. Who wants to sleep more, like sleepyhead? The poet is saying when in the morning he was out, shadow remains at home and was sleeping in the bed. The poet name is Robert L. Stevenson. So dear children, if you have any query, doubt regarding the poem, kindly write it down in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.